This is what happens when luxury stops being quiet and starts looking like something you cannot explain away. Most luxury SUVs understand their role. They arrive softly. They impress without effort. They wear elegance like a second skin and never ask for more attention than they deserve. But every so often, a design comes along that refuses to follow those rules. A design that explores what happens when a legendary name decides that refinement alone is no longer the whole story. This is the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000, a bold luxury SUV vision that looks like it was designed to end the conversation before it even starts. Today, we are going deep. The exterior that changes how you read a parking lot. The cabin that reimagines what rear seat luxury can feel like. The technology that works without announcing itself. The performance this vehicle could deliver. And the one design detail at the back of this vehicle that makes every rival look like it is still catching up. Stay with us, because this one builds all the way to the end. Start at the front and take your time. The grille on this SUV is enormous. Not wide in the way a luxury SUV typically is. Wide in a way that feels deliberate and slightly intimidating. It sits low and pushes forward, framed by a bumper section that is deeply sculpted and heavy-looking, like the front end was carved rather than pressed. The headlights sit above the grille line and run narrow and long, almost like slits cut into the metal. They do not glow softly, they watch. The hood itself is raised and flat, sitting high above the front axle, giving the entire front end a presence that reads less like a family SUV and more like something that arrived from a different category altogether. Move to the side, and the proportions become even more striking. The wheelbase on this SUV is long. The door sections are deep and wide. The window line sits high, giving the lower body panels a thick, muscular quality that most SUVs try to hide with chrome trim or body-colored cladding. This design hides nothing. The shoulder line rises gently from front to rear, tightening the roofline without dropping it aggressively. It stays tall, staying true to the Maybach idea that rear passengers should never feel compressed. The wheels fill the arches completely, multi-spoke, dark-finished, and sized to match the scale of the vehicle they carry. From the side, this SUV looks like it belongs on a wider road than the one it is currently on. The rear is where this design makes its most confident statement. A full-width light bar connects both taillights in a single, unbroken line across the tailgate. Below it, the bumper section drops into a lower diffuser-style section that adds visual width and weight to the back end. There is no soft curve here, no gentle fade into the road. The rear of the GLS 1000 is wide, flat, and planted. It looks like a period at the end of a sentence that was never in doubt. Step inside, and the energy changes completely. The cabin of this SUV imagines a first-class experience where every surface has been considered and nothing has been left to chance. The front seats are wide, deeply contoured, and wrapped in a layered material that suggests hand-finished leather with visible stitching running in clean, parallel lines across the cushion face. The headrests are tall and integrated. The steering wheel is thick, flat at the bottom, trimmed in a contrasting finish that makes it feel like a precision instrument rather than a driving aid. The dashboard stretches from door to door in a single, continuous surface. A large curved screen anchors the center stack without dominating the space. A second display sits lower in the driver's sightline, angled toward the wheel, handling the information the driver actually needs while the road is moving. Ambient lighting traces the door panels and the base of the dashboard in a warm, controlled tone. It does not cycle through colors for effect. It holds a consistent mood and lets the materials do the rest. The rear cabin is the real reason this vehicle exists. Two individual seats, separated by a console that rises between them with armrests on each side. The seats recline to a near-flat angle. Footrests extend from the base of the front seat backs. The glass above is tinted and panoramic. The space between the seat and the door is generous enough to feel intentional. Sitting in the rear of this SUV, you do not feel like a passenger. You feel like the event. Now consider the technology. This vehicle presents a system architecture where everything works together in the background. Adaptive air suspension, reading the road ahead and adjusting before the bump arrives. Active noise cancellation, reducing cabin sound to near silence at highway speed. Climate control that would likely respond to individual occupant temperature rather than a single shared zone setting. Driver assistance that monitors, adjusts, and intervenes without making its presence felt until the moment it matters. The technology in this design is not the feature. The experience it creates is the feature. Performance is where the speculation gets interesting. A vehicle at this level and this weight would likely draw from a twin-motor electric or a powerful hybrid platform. No specific numbers are claimed here, but the design language tells a story. Instant torque from a standing start. A surge that is smooth rather than sudden. Highway behavior that feels planted rather than floating. Off-road geometry that would give this vehicle genuine capability away from smooth tarmac. A vehicle this large, handled this well, would feel smaller than it looks once it is moving. Now, the Range Rover. A genuinely extraordinary machine. Polished, capable, and deeply respected across every market it enters. It earns its place at the top of the luxury SUV segment without ever needing to raise its voice. The Maybach GLS 1000 suggests something with a different intention entirely. Where the Range Rover communicates authority through restraint, this vehicle communicates it through presence, through scale. Through a design that does not ask for your attention, it simply occupies the space where your attention already was. These are two very different philosophies about what a luxury SUV should project to the world outside its windows. One honest note before we close. A vehicle this large and this visually commanding would not be easy to live with in a dense city. The sheer size that gives it such a powerful road presence becomes a liability in narrow streets, tight underground car parks, and slow-moving urban traffic. Every inch that makes it look dominant on an open highway becomes an extra inch you are trying to manage in a busy car park on a Tuesday morning. This is not a vehicle shaped for that world. It is a machine built for long, open roads, sweeping driveways, and arrivals that feel like they were planned in advance. The soul of the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000 comes down to one idea. What happens when one of the most respected and recognized names in the entire luxury world decides that quiet confidence is only half the story? What happens when presence becomes the point? This vehicle answers that question with every surface, every proportion, and every carefully considered design detail. It is not trying to belong in the segment. It is showing what the very top of that segment could look like if someone pushed harder. If you want more futuristic luxury car concepts like this, subscribe to Jack Auto Expert.